When should adult protective services be called for elder abuse? Imagine seeing a loved one with unexplained bruises or signs of distress. You might wonder if something is wrong. Knowing when to call adult protective services can make all the difference. Adult protective services should be contacted whenever you suspect an elderly person is experiencing abuse, neglect, or exploitation. This includes physical harm, sexual abuse, emotional distress, or neglect. If you see injuries like bruises, broken bones, or burns that cannot be explained, it's a sign to act. Emotional or psychological signs are just as important. If the elder seems confused, withdrawn, depressed, or overly anxious, it could be a sign of abuse or neglect. Watch for sudden changes in mood or behavior, which might indicate distress. Neglect is another serious concern. Signs include poor hygiene, malnutrition, dehydration, or living in unsafe conditions. If the home is cluttered, dirty, or has hazards like exposed wiring or broken stairs, it's time to consider intervention. Financial exploitation is common and often harder to spot. Look for unusual bank withdrawals, missing possessions, or sudden changes in financial documents. If someone is coercing the elder to sign over property or money, it's a red flag. Isolation and abandonment are also signs of elder abuse. If the elder is cut off from friends or family, left alone in unsafe conditions, or unable to get medical care, these are urgent reasons to call for help. You should call adult protective services even if the elder does not want to involve authorities. Their safety is the priority. Remember, calling does not mean the elder will automatically be removed from their home. Their consent is usually needed for relocation or placement in a facility. Once you report, adult protective services will investigate. They will talk to the elder, caregivers, and others involved. They review medical and financial records and assess the situation. Their goal is to develop a plan to protect the elder and ensure their safety. Legal professionals often advise reporting suspected abuse immediately. Early action can prevent further harm and help gather evidence for legal steps like guardianship or criminal charges. It's important to understand the elder's rights and wishes during this process. You should call adult protective services right away if there is an imminent risk of serious harm. If the elder is unable to protect themselves or is in ongoing danger, do not wait. Financial scams or exploitation that threaten the elder's resources also requiring urgent attention. Reporting can be anonymous, and laws protect those who come forward. This encourages friends, family, and professionals to act without fear. Acting quickly helps ensure the elder gets the help they need and prevents further harm. In summary, call adult protective services whenever you see or suspect elder abuse or neglect. Protecting seniors' rights and well-being depends on timely intervention and caring action.